Hey everyone, this is CEO Trades, where money works for you. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be answering a very important question. Why do people lose money in crypto or stocks? We're here looking at different cryptos. We're actually looking at Ethereum right now. Why is it people lose money? Well, let's say that people bought up here and they believe they bought at a good deal because they've heard the hype as it's on an upward trend. But what do then? Oh my God, it's not going my way. Then they sell somewhere in here. And then they probably did the right thing because it dropped even more. And then what they don't notice is that eventually it goes back up. It doesn't go up to their level. So now they're in the wrong position. They don't know what to do. So that's what we're looking at here, is how people are making these estimates on when to purchase and what is going on. Number one is their emotions is working against them, because they're purchasing on the hype, saying, oh my God, it's going up. And why would you want to purchase up here when that's the highest Ethereum has gone? Why not purchase down here? Okay, if you imagine if you purchased anywhere in here below this red valley right in here, you could have made some money. You could have made some money if you would have cashed in either up here or up there. Obviously, there is another dip here that would cause anyone to be worried and their emotions would go, but that's obviously part of the game. Their emotions plays a huge fact into that. How about price? I mean, up here it was at 4,700, down here it was at 3,900. I'd say 3,900 is much better purchase than purchasing it at the top where it was. Right now Ethereum is somewhere in the 4,080-ish range. It was at 3,700 somewhere down here. It would have been a great opportunity to buy because you would have made at least 10% right by now. And that is good. Know when to sell or when to buy. How do you know when to sell or when to buy? Obviously, I just gave you some ideas. It's better to buy at the bottom than it is to buy at the top. And that's what you have to be aware of. If there's hype, that's not the right time to buy. It's best to buy when people are afraid, have moved on, and all the hype is gone. That means everybody has sold. In order for me to make money, someone's got to lose money. Did you know that? In order for you to make money, someone's got to lose money. So if you're not cashing in at the proper moment, somebody else is going to benefit on your cashing out at the wrong time. Picking random spots and random stocks doesn't help you to make money. Just jumping in anywhere. Is this the right time to jump into Ethereum? It might be. I wouldn't necessarily jump in. However, the news is negative, and you can see it's rebounded a good 10% in the last day or so. And I would make that a better judgment to be able to jump in. Where did you fail? Where did you fail? Picking the wrong point to enter, picking the wrong point to exit. That's how you fail. Not knowing what the chart stands for, not listening to news, not following the trends that are allowing you to make better investments. How about having a plan? Most people have no plan. And guess what? They're failing to plan. That's their plan, failing to plan. If that's where you're at, then you've got to invest in your knowledge account so that your money account will grow multiplied. If you want more information on our educational program so that you can invest in your knowledge account, give us an email, send us an email, and why don't you put on there buying cheap on the attention line. That way we can attend to your services and connect you with our programs on our website at ceodaviddiaz.com. Take care, stay safe, and until tomorrow, where we're going to look at 3 coins that have been questioned heavily because of their movements.